My name is Ty Johnson, and I'm Director of Community Relations at ConocoPhillips. At ConocoPhillips, it's so important for us to support the communities that we live and work in, with our global headquarters office being right in the heart of the energy corridor. We were so excited to be the presenting sponsor for this event.
My name is Cindy Sheehan, and I'm here on behalf of Citgo Petroleum. Citgo is the sponsor of Santa's Winter Wonderland, to see the community and to see the children and see the joy in their faces, kind of bringing all the holiday spirit to the community. It's just by far one of our favorite events. Public affairs at Citgo has been very busy this holiday season, sponsoring tree lighting events, food drives, donation drives around Houston and around our operational areas.
It's just such a privilege to be a part of an event like this that's for the community, for the holiday season, and just being able to be a part of such a special tradition for the energy corridors.